Confused about taxes. Okay, I'm confused. In the March 14th, 2021 Sunday Daily Herald, there were two articles that really had me scratching my head. First was Democratic Governor J.B. Jelly Belly Pritzker. According to the governor, businesses in Illinois are receiving too many tax incentives, and he wants to close, quote unquote, those loopholes. Nowhere in the article did I read about reducing any Illinois government expenditures. So increase taxes, keep spending more. In the article, those nasty businesses are bleeding the state dry. Not the corrupt politicians who continue to tax and spend like drunken sailors, the businesses. Eliminating those incentives will supposedly raise more money for the state. So in theory, old Jelly Belly won't have to raise your taxes. Okay, so let's review. While corporations do write tax checks to the government, who actually pays those taxes? Individuals who use those goods and services, not the corporate entity. Should Jelly Belly JB decide to change the tax law, corporations basically will have several options, assuming those businesses want to earn the same amounts they did the year before. One, they could pass those costs along to you and me. Wait, I thought those evil corporations were going to pay these taxes, but I digress. If they are not able to pass those costs along, then they could A, reduce employees as its fastest way to cut costs. B, find possibly other measures that could help the business run more efficiently and reduce their costs. C, simply leave Illinois for a more tax-friendly state like Tennessee or Texas. Or D, ultimately go out of business. That's great. I'm sure everyone would prefer this option. Now, here's where we start to get confused. In the business section, there was an article, How to Reduce Your Taxes. Wait, why is one tax-saving incentive good while the other is bad? See why I'm confused? If they know people are going to try not to pay taxes, then why don't they close those loopholes? Again, I'm confused. And help me understand how old Jelly Belly was allowed to evade taxes by removing his toilets, but the citizens of Illinois should pay higher taxes. I don't understand. Evidently, it's okay if you pay off the people who got you elected so you don't have to go to jail. Sounds like a typical Illinois politician. Remember, tax avoidance is a legal obligation. You have every right to avoid paying taxes. Tax evasion, on the other hand, like removing your toilets, in Illinois is not acceptable. Well, I guess in Illinois it might be. Otherwise, the difference is usually about 20 years. Don't worry, Illinois governors have a permanent room in a federal penitentiary. So you can see why I'm so confused. It's okay for one person not to receive a tax incentive, while other people are allowed. Kind of like when I was mentoring a DePaul student in accounting, and I asked what area of accounting they were planning on studying, and they said tax accounting. And my reply had them dazed and confused when I said, you understand your job is to make sure your clients don't pay any taxes. They looked at me like I had three eyeballs. Definitely not the person I want working on my taxes. Should you like to discuss ways to possibly earn more and possibly reduce your taxes or keep more of the money that you do make, please give me a call, Milton Flanagan, at 630-235-5273, or you can email me at mflanagan, that's F as in Frank, Lanagan, at FlanaganFinancialServices.net. Thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking with you.